Okay, so I was going to show how to do F2L. Mainly this is for one of the kids at my church. So, here we go. First we need to build the white cross, but it's easier for beginners to build a daisy. So, the daisy is a yellow flower, or a white flower, with a yellow center. So, we need to bring this up here. So we need to turn it like that and bring it up. Don't worry about this. We'll get rid of that for you. Okay, so we have those ones. Now, here's one, there's one, here's this one here. This is another one that's on the side, so we want to bring it up. So we're gonna rotate it like that and bring it up. Here's another one. Okay, we'll get rid of that. Okay, so now we have our daisy. So, white is on this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the corresponding middle pieces like that. And then we're going to rotate them all the way around. And so now they're matching. So this one is red, and that one is blue, and this one is green, and now we have our white cross. We have locked our white cross in. Now we're going to solve these corners. Here's one first here. We're going to bring these up here to get them out of the bottom layer, and I'm going to take this green one and bring it up like that. So we're going to go like that, and so now here's our green and orange one, and there's that green and orange one. And now we want to bring this one all the way around over here to put them next to each other. So I'm going to hide this one and bring our green and orange one here and bring that back up. So here's our green and orange, and here's green and orange, and we want the white to come down just like that, but now we've messed our white cross up. So we're gonna hide it over here, and we're gonna bring this up, bring this over and bring it down, and so now we have it. Here's a blue and red, here's a blue and red, so we're gonna bring it out. So here's that, and they actually have the same color on top, so we're going to bring it down like that. But that's one thing right there. See, that's our orange and green. We need to make sure we don't mess that up. So we're going to take a messed up corner and put it over there so that it can come up. So we're going to bring it down, bring it over, and we matched those up. And here's our two spots here. So we're going to bring that out, bring it over, and bring it down. So that side's matched up now. Oh, here we go. We'll bring these out. Now these two are different. The white's on top. We want the white on one of these sides. So the red is on top over here. So I'm going to bring it over like that. And so we have our green and red and our green and red. And now we need to make sure we don't mess up our solved corners. So we're going to take a messed up corner here and put it back there, because we're going to take this one and hide it while we bring this over. So there's that. That's matched up. Now our green and red, here's our green and red corner. So we're going to bring it up and down. So now we have three corners. This is the last messed up corner. So now we have this. We have to get the white on the bottom and the orange on top. So let's bring our messed up corner over here, and we're going to rotate it upward. Get it out of the way so we can bring it back down so we don't mess up our cross. So we want to bring this over here, which means we have to turn it that way. So we want to take our messed up corner and put it in the back so we can bring it up. There's our messed up corner. And we're going to take this and bring it over and put that there so we have it matched up. So we're going to put that in here, and that is F2L. You have the first two layers. That's what F2L stands for.